There's a new phenomenon worldwide. Walls are breaking down. Frontiers are being redefined. Globalization has opened up vast new horizons for economic and social progress through opportunities for greater integration in the world economy. One world, one standard. At Sarawgi, we are coming to realize the true sense of this opportunity. It is important to our growth trajectory because steel making and related resources are increasingly becoming important in the world marketplace. Our excellent exploration prospects, operating expertise, professional competence, and healthy cash reserves also make us an excellent investment vehicle. This, combined with our manufacturing facilities, operating mines, and logistics network. Today, Sarawgi is poised to cater not only to the nation's markets, but also to markets worldwide. Sarawgi started its journey in 1961 with the company's foray into manganese ore mining. 45 years later, the company has grown into one of the leading producers and exporters of iron and manganese ores to Far East countries. Foreseeing a great demand for iron ore in China, the company pioneered the first merchant private initiative in iron ore export to China, reaching 2 million tons in 2003. Since then, the group has been an efficient facilitator of raw materials across the world. Sarawgi has a demonstrated history of product innovation, with a proven capability to introduce new, high-value-in-use products. These meet the increasingly competitive cost and quality needs of customers in India and abroad. Where innovation is concerned, Sarawgi knows no limits. At Sarawgi, we use a proven methodology for prospecting and unearthing favorable geology and applying the most advanced methods of identifying promising exploration targets. Our policy is to ensure the continued discovery and development of economically viable mineral reserves and the refinement and creation of production and process technologies. All this is backed by a sound, efficient, and captive logistics network, flexible enough to adjust to any eventuality. The company owns and operates its own rake of 61 N-wagons for transportation of various ores to different ports and also to our plant. Continuous quality control, in concert with modern technology, ensures the optimum fit and the performance of our products. We are surging forward and going beyond the possible, leaping from the springboard of an impressive past to a brave new future. Towards this end, we have embarked on several ambitious plans to meet the dynamic demands from our clients. The steel production unit is now complete and has a production capacity of 100,000 metric tons per annum of DRI sponge iron. The newly commissioned steel melting shop has a production capacity of 80,000 metric tons per annum of steel. The first phase of the expansion plans will be completed by March 2008 with the commissioning of the rolling mill with an annual production capacity of 80,000 metric tons. With an estimated total outlay of $50 million, we are setting up a 20 megawatts captive power plant and a well-integrated secondary steel production unit to produce DRI sponge iron, billets, TMT rebars, wire rods, structurals, and alloy steel, with a total capacity to manufacture 500,000 metric tons by the year 2010. To achieve this goal, we are redefining the frontiers of our mineral resources and mining facilities. We have zeroed in on rich natural resources of Chhattisgarh, the central Indian state that is home to one of the finest reserves of iron ore and coal in the world. Chhattisgarh meets the bulk of raw material requirements of the nation's steel producers. We have commenced exploration of iron ore in an area of 800 acres of land and taken up coal mining to support the steel industry. Manganese is the fourth most commonly used metal after iron, aluminium and copper. It is used in the steel industry to produce a strong, resistant metal that is easy to machine, form or weld. By reducing unwanted sulfur and oxygen and preventing brittleness, manganese helps in the production of stronger and longer-lasting steel. Aided by cutting-edge technologies and continuously improved processes, we deliver manganese ore of the highest quality and performance to our clients. The company also targets to commence ferroalloy production very shortly, based on our own captive mines of manganese ore. Limestone mining and cement production in the state of Chhattisgarh is also a projected initiative. To be worthy of world-class standards, each mining schedule's worth and quality is thoroughly evaluated by us before it is examined for its suitability as a worthy project. Sarawgi recognizes that excellence in today's global competitive market can only be achieved with a team of valued professionals. The willingness of our team to walk the extra mile enables us to enhance our competitiveness and develop a customer-focused organization. Team Sarawgi thinks, innovates and evolves new ideas and independent opinions to give our customers and stakeholders more value for their money. Every collective decision we make carries the hallmark of our team spirit. The results can be seen in our impressive track record as a distinguished minerals and metals producer. Awards and recognitions nationally and internationally stimulate us to peak to greater heights. Being awarded the coveted Capex Seal for 2 consecutive years and 3-star export house status are worth mentioning. Sarawgi believes that to be truly global, a company must set an example, creating value wherever possible, not just for its stakeholders and employees, but for all those whom it encounters in its day-to-day progress. As one of our measures, we work towards the empowerment of schools and underprivileged children in the villages around our mines and plant. We reaffirm our commitment to maintaining the highest respect for different laws, cultures, traditions, beliefs and practices, thereby fulfilling our efforts towards corporate social responsibility. In a global warming scenario, environment is a primary concern for us. Ahead are profound challenges from a wide range of issues, such as environment changes, industrial waste disposal, economic benefits distribution, and human rights. Sarawgi stands at the forefront in meeting these daunting challenges, making this beautiful world a better place to live and extend the goodness of the generations to come. Planting greenery around our plant and respecting the land where we are based. Today, we are an ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 Quality and Environment Certified company. Sarawgi, building a world united by equal opportunity, hope and excellence. A world that shines like the finest steel, where barriers are broken and frontiers extended. A world in which Sarawgi will work towards making the sun rise for shareholders and employees alike, ushering in a new day of profitability for this nation to which we are committed, moving beyond the barriers.